Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I just had a little problem right here. I thought it was just that one's a bummer toy, I think. I thought this to get this all the puzzle on these arrow, the little triangle things. We'll point a star. Well, anyway, let's just see what. Well, anyway, let's see. Okay. Okay, we got some good goodies in here. And one more. Oh, another one. There. There we go. Okay, let's open up this one first. Come on. Ah. Ah. Ooh, and we got a fire truck. Really cool, a fire truck. This looks really cool. There's the wheels on there. The back. But this one looks really cool. Let's open up the next one. Come on. Oh. Oh, and we got Firefighter Ryan. Right, all you do is put him at the bottom of the little dot here. It's got our Ryan on there. A shirt. That's fire hat. Fire hat. There we go. Oh, oops. Hold on a second. Just a second. There. Now we got Ryan. Firefighter Ryan is now ready. Let's open up the last one. Come on, you can do this. Okay, I know what the last one was. Oh, a dog, a fire dog. It's yellow. We're gonna put it next to Ryan. Oh, oops. Oops. there. More. Let's move some of this out of the way here. Okay, now let's check out this blind bag. Here's the bag. Here's the other one. This is series 3. Alright, let's open it up. And we got... Let's see what we got here. Oh, the Clown Ryan. And this is actually a rare one. Ooh. Nice. Very nice. There we go. And this is what it comes with. His horn. I think just attached right here. Here's Clown Ryan. Right here. It has a horn right here. It kind of looks like Ronald McDonald. It has a nose here. It has a bow tie. Got buttons. And yeah, it just looks really cool. Stand up. As you know. There's that it comes with. Really nice. Ah! Sorry guys, I tried to put this. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye. Braxhard sign.